Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to put on a big wang on the Rx8 because I just want a big wang on it. That's pretty much it. Right, so this is the main brackets, side plates, and these are just things to hold the spoiler on. So I got Calum Hayes to make this, just on a CNC thing, and then just welded on the X-brace. So I've already test fitted and it looks okay. It is quite a big wing, so let me know in the down below. You can press thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. And leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll show you this. Got this wing for 50 quid off a friend called Chow. It just needs sanding in a lacquer, but for 50 quid for a carbon spoiler, that will do me. So yeah, let's spray paint this. I'm just going to do it black. I was going to do it like a green with the Takara harnesses that I've got inside, but I'm just going to do it black. I might just sticker bomb the end plates with my stickers, and you can find them on Facebook as well if you want any stickers. Okay, that's it, sanded down. I've got a couple bits that are like, I can't really do much about, they're chipped. But it should come up nice. Doesn't look that great just now, but just trust me, once the clear lacquer's on it'll look better. But fully carbon fibre for 50 quid, that'll do me. Bit of TLC, and then it'll look beautiful. So this is the first coat, so there's still some high points that I need to get to, but like there and there's some high points, and here there's some high points that are just need filling out. So we'll give it 3 coats. That's the first coat we've done of clear, so we'll do another 2 coats and on both sides. So I need to do this 3 times, flip it over 3 times. And then this one's coming along nicely. That's the second coat of base on. So I'll give it 1 more coat of base and then clear it maybe twice. Alright guys, that is the wing on. bit wider than the car, is it? No, it's actually narrower than the car. And it's a little bit above the roof level, maybe 6 inches. Yeah, it's a big wang, definitely a very big wang. Carbon fibre came out okay as well. It's quite nice. I just kind of had a run here and here, but oh well. All the rest of it's good though. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the install of my big wang. See you at the next one, I guess. We'll probably drift on the next one. It's pretty much ready to go. So yeah, see you later. Bye.